Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we dive deep into the incredible buzz surrounding the Sony A7V. This highly anticipated addition to Sony's esteemed A7 series is already making waves in photography and videography. With rumored groundbreaking specs and innovative features, the A7V could set new benchmarks for hybrid cameras. Let's explore everything we know so far about this potential game-changer. Design and build. Leaked images suggest that Sony will maintain the ergonomic design language of the A7 series, which has been well received by creators. However, the A7V appears to bring notable refinements that cater to both photographers and videographers. Ergonomic enhancements. A slightly deeper grip promises improved comfort during long shooting sessions. This is particularly appealing for professionals who need a camera that feels secure and balanced in hand. Improved weather sealing. Enhanced durability could make the A7V a reliable companion for outdoor shoots, even in challenging conditions like rain or dust. Revamped button layout. Sony seems to have tailored the control scheme for hybrid shooters who frequently switch between photo and video modes. This intuitive layout could save valuable time on set. Larger LCD touchscreen. A rumored upgrade to the LCD touchscreen could make navigating settings faster and easier. Creators have often sought improvements in this area, and Sony appears to have listened. By balancing familiarity with innovation, Sony's design philosophy for the A7V shows a commitment to user-friendly functionality without compromising what already works. Sensor and image quality. One of the most exciting rumors is the inclusion of a 33MP full-frame stacked sensor. This innovation could elevate image quality and performance to new heights. Faster readout speeds. The stacked sensor design is expected to enable rapid readout, reducing rolling shutter issues, a crucial improvement for both photographers and videographers. Low light performance. Superior low light capabilities are anticipated, making the A7V a versatile choice for shooting in dim environments like events or nighttime landscapes. Dynamic range. Reports suggest the sensor might deliver over 15 stops of dynamic range. This would translate to breathtakingly detailed images with rich textures and lifelike colors, even in challenging lighting. These advancements position the A7V as a leader in image quality, appealing to both professional photographers and passionate hobbyists. Autofocus enhancements. Sony has long been a market leader in autofocus technology, and the A7V is expected to build on this legacy. Real-time tracking. Improved real-time tracking and eye autofocus for humans, animals, and birds are rumored, ensuring precision across various shooting scenarios. AI-driven subject recognition. Advanced AI-powered features could enhance subject tracking, particularly useful for action or sports photography. Low-light autofocus. Better performance in dim conditions may make the A7V a reliable choice for astrophotography or events like concerts and weddings. With these enhancements, Sony demonstrates its dedication to pushing the boundaries of autofocus technology, ensuring that every shot is sharp and focused. Video capabilities. For videographers, the A7V could be a dream come true, with features designed to meet professional production standards. 8K recording. Support for 8K video at 30 frames per second would allow creators to capture stunningly detailed footage, ideal for high-end cinematic projects. 4K at 120 frames per second. The ability to record 4K video at up to 120 frames per second opens up possibilities for slow-motion effects while maintaining incredible clarity. 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording. This format promises exceptional color depth and flexibility in post-production, catering to professional filmmakers. Enhanced heat dissipation. Borrowing technology from the Sony A1, the A7V may feature advanced cooling systems to enable longer recording sessions without overheating. Improved stabilization. Enhanced in-body stabilization could make handheld shooting smoother, while a dual-gain ISO system may ensure optimal performance across a wide range of lighting conditions. These rumored features could solidify the A7V as a top contender for professional filmmakers and ambitious content creators. Connectivity and workflow. The A7V is expected to come packed with cutting-edge connectivity features to simplify workflows for modern creators. Dual-band Wi-Fi 6. Faster and more reliable wireless connections could make transferring files a breeze. USB-C with power delivery. This upgrade may allow faster file transfers and the ability to power the camera externally during long shoots. Dual card slots. Support for CF Express Type A and SD UHS-2 cards would provide flexibility and speed, which is ideal for handling large file sizes. Imaging Edge integration. Compatibility with Sony's Imaging Edge app could streamline remote control, file management, and cloud-based storage options, saving time during both shooting and editing. By focusing on seamless connectivity, Sony ensures the A7V meets the needs of professionals handling demanding projects. Battery life and power management. Battery life is a critical factor for creators on the go, and the A7V is rumored to bring several improvements in this area. Optimized power usage. While it may retain the NPIA FZ100 battery, better optimization could allow for longer shooting sessions. USB power delivery support. This feature could enable faster charging and operation via external power banks, reducing downtime during extended shoots. These upgrades ensure that the A7V can keep up with the demands of busy professionals and enthusiasts. Price and market position. The Sony A7V is expected to be priced between $2,500 and $2,800, positioning it in the mid to high tier of Sony's lineup. Competitive value. While the price point may seem steep, the rumored features offer exceptional value for hybrid shooters. Target audience. By balancing photo and video capabilities, the A7V could appeal to a broad range of users, from seasoned professionals to serious hobbyists. Market competition. If the leaks are accurate, the A7V will directly compete with rivals like the Canon EOS R6 Mark II and Nikon Z7 II, potentially setting a new standard in its segment. Conclusion. The Sony A7V is shaping up to be a revolutionary addition to the mirrorless market. With advancements in sensor technology, autofocus, video capabilities, and connectivity, this camera has the potential to become a favorite among creators. If Sony delivers on these rumors, the A7V could redefine the standard for hybrid cameras. Thank you for tuning in to Techno Trend Zone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and insights. Your support helps us bring you the latest and greatest from the world of technology. Stay inspired, stay creative, and we'll see you in the next video.